Well, dear students, let's continue from the where we had stopped in the previous class about the NEET questions. We are doing now, you all know, we are doing about reproductive health, I feel, right? I think we have to start from, okay, 31st question, I feel. Okay. Next, given below are four methods A to D and their modes of action P to S in achieving contraception. Select their incorrect matching from the four options given. Select the correct matching. What matching? Correct matching. Option A, pill. B, condom. C, vasectomy. D, copper T. Mode of action: prevent sperms reaching cervix. Q, prevents implantation. R, prevents ovulation. S, semen contains no sperms. So the answers matching are option A, he says AR, that is the pill prevents ovulation, correct. B, P, he says that B is condom. P, prevents sperms reaching cervix, correct. C, vasectomy. Yes option, semen contains no sperms, correct. D, copper T, prevents implantation. AR, BP, CS, DQ. These are the correct matchings and option A is the correct answer. Next, legally acceptable term of abortion is, what is legal term? MTP, medical termination of pregnancy. Option A, medical termination of pregnancy, MTP. Second, B, MMTP, no. C, MTTP, no. D, none. Option A is correct answer, that is MTP, nothing but medical termination of pregnancy, also referred as abortion. Next question, test tube baby means the baby born when? Option A, it develops from non-fertilized egg, cannot be. B, it develops in a test tube, partially correct. C, it develops through tissue culture method, fine. Option D, the ovum is fertilized externally and thereafter implanted in uterus, correct statement. Option D is correct for IFVET, in vitro fertilization and embryo transfer. That is what we call as test tube baby. The ovum is D option, the ovum is fertilized externally, of course, and thereafter implanted to the uterus. Next question, the mechanical measures of population control includes A, condom only. B, diaphragm only. C, IUDs only. D, all of the above. You all very well know all of the above: condoms, IUDs and diaphragms. Next, the chemical method of contraception includes A, jellies only, correct. Jelly also contains chemicals. Creams and foams only. Creams and foams also contain chemicals. Oral contraceptive pills, they also contains chemicals like estrogen, progesterone, all those things. So D option, all of the above, is the correct one. Test tube babies are produced by, this is the question, test tube babies are produced by option A, fertilizing the egg removed from the body of the female with husband's sperm outside. In vitro culture, the zygote is transferred back. Option B, external fertilization and development in vitro culture till 32 cell stage before putting the embryo back into mother's uterus. This is the correct answer. C, complete development of baby in vitro, wrong. Development up to 32 cell stage, transplanting embryo in the uterus of the surrogate mother, clear. So test tube babies, option B is the most correct one. It can be in surrogate mother, or if mother has no problem, biological mother has no problem of implantation, can be implanted in her itself. So option B is correct. Surrogate mother is used for, option A, induction of lactation, no. Option B, artificially insemination female, no. C, future mother with transplanted embryo, yes. D option, artificial insemination development of embryo, no. Option C, surrogate mother is a future mother with transplanted embryo in her. Next, action of contraceptive. What is the effect, impact of contraceptives is A, prevent the ovulation only. B, prevent the ovulation and fertilization also, correct. Prevent the ovulation, fertilization, implantation. Prevent the rapid passing of eggs voided. Action of contraceptives is preventing of ovulation and fertilization. 39. Question, intensely lactating mother do not generally conceive due to intensely, continuously or more, fine, clear. continuously, immensely, intensely. Lactating mother do not generally conceive. Conceive means she is not becoming pregnant, not conceived. No conception in her. I have told you this point. Conceived due to what? Suppression of gonadotropins, of course correct, due to lactation, 4 to 6 months lactating mother, fine, it is known as lactational amenorrhea also. So suppression of gonadotropins, correct, fine, gonadotropins hormone. B. Hypersecretion of gonadotropins, cannot be, impossible. Suppression of gamete transport, no way at all. Suppression of fertilization, can't be. So option A, suppression of gonadotropins is the correct answer. Next, 40th question. Sterilization techniques are generally foolproof methods of contraception with least side effects. Yet, this is the last option for the couples because sterilization techniques are generally foolproof methods of contraception with the least side effects. No side effects are there, fine, clear. But you can fool anybody here, fine. Means in detail I have to tell you what do you mean by that word, fine, clear, foolproof, fine. You cannot, after vasectomy and tubectomy, fine, you cannot say, fine, you cannot deny, okay. So yet this is the last option for the couples because first statement, it is almost irreversible. Second statement, of the misconception that it will reduce sexual urge or drive. Third option, it is surgical procedure. Fourth option, of lack of sufficient facilities in many parts of the country. Choose the correct option. 1 and 3 only, B 2 and 3 only, C 1 and 4 only, D all reasons are correct. What are those? It is almost irreversible, but it is reversible here. Misconception that it will reduce the libido, sexual drive, I told you it will to some extent. It is surgical procedure, of course correct. Lack of sufficient facilities in many parts of the country. So all reasons are there why people don't choose for this. Emergency contraceptives are effective if used within A. 72 hours of coitus, copulation, 72 hours of ovulation, 72 hours of menstruation, 72 hours of implantation, 72 hours of sexual intercourse, clear? Before or after sexual intercourse, within 72 hours of time, if contraceptive pill is taken, it prevents implantation, fertilization and implantation. Choose the right one among the statements given below. IUDs are generally inserted by the user herself. Cannot be, I have told you, it should not be done. Medical experts, gynecologists should do it. So you should not try yourself to incorporate IUDs within you. Intrauterine devices. IUDs increases phagocytosis, a reaction in the uterus. Of course, very good, correct. Phagocytosis, the sperms are nothing but cells. So phagocytosis takes place. IUDs suppresses gametogenesis, no way at all. IUDs are inserted. IUDs once inserted need not be replaced. Wrong statement. Option B is the correct statement here. Moving on to next question, 43rd question. Clear? Condoms are one of the most popular contraceptives because of the following reasons. Of course, they are very popular, very friendly. Friendly means most of the people use, very easy to use, is nothing but friendly. Option A, these are effective barriers for insemination. Correct, insemination, deposition of semen into female body, female reproductive tract. They do not interfere with coital act. Correct. These help in reducing the risk of sexually transmitted diseases. Of course, very correct. All these statements are perfectly correct. So option D, all of the above is correct. Next, choose correct statement regarding the ZIFT. What is ZIFT? Zygote intrafallopian transfer procedure. Option A, ova collected from female donor are transferred to the fallopian tube to facilitate zygote formation. Listen to option B, then decide. ZIFT, it is ZIFT, not gift, it is ZIFT. ZIFT, zygote, I have told you in the beginning. B option, zygote is collected from female donor and transferred to the fallopian tube, is the correct option. Zygote is collected from female donor and transferred to uterus. Ova is collected from female. Option B, zygote is collected and transferred, is the correct answer for ZIFT. Next, contraceptive pills are used by males, A males, B females, C both, D none. Mostly by females, very in rare cases by males, but both is the answer. Commonest STD in India, sexually transmitted disease in our country, is A syphilis, B gonorrhea, C AIDS, D herpes. Your guess is wrong. Option is B gonorrhea is correct, caused by Neisseria gonorrhea. Next, barrier method of contraceptive includes all. Barrier method of contraceptives includes all, but except one. Which is that? Barrier method includes condoms, correct. Dutch cap, correct. Diaphragm, also correct. it will not include about copper T, CUT, copper T. Copper T is IUDs, intrauterine devices, not a barrier methods. So C is the correct answer for 47th question. Moving on to next. Which of the following disease is curable? HIV infection A, HIV infection, B, hepatitis B, C, genital herpes. What is the guessing? All these are curable? No way at all. Cannot be cured at all, completely. So prevention is the better. Which are those? HIV cannot be cured, hepatitis B cannot be cured, genital herpes cannot be cured. Hepatitis B only in the very beginning stages, chances of curing, but it is considered as incurable. Which of the following step is necessary for building up healthy reproductive society? Next question. Which of the following steps are necessary for building up of the healthy reproductive society? A. Introduction of sex education in schools. Correct. Proper information about reproductive organs, adolescents, and safe sexual practices. Correct. To create awareness among the people about reproduction related aspects. Also correct. Option D. All are correct is the correct answer. Next. Natality. Natality is a characteristic of the population, which means the total number of individuals present in the area. No, the increased number of individuals in a population under given environment condition is correct option. 51. It may stop after 5-10 minutes. So consider the statement given below regarding contraception. Medical termination pregnancy MTP during first trimester is generally safe. Correct. Generally chance of conception are nil. Second. B. Not correct. Intrauterine devices like copper T are effective contraceptives. Fine. Consider the statement given below regarding contraception. Medical termination pregnancy is the first